In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to Gmail. First, you will need to open Gmail in your web browser. This action is simple but essential as it serves as your starting point. When you open Gmail, you'll see your inbox filled with messages. The familiar interface provides a clean and organized view of your emails. This is where all the magic will happen. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are accessing your personal emails and settings. Next, click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You can find it in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. When you click on this gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to various settings. Clicking it takes you one step closer to customizing your Gmail experience. You want to make sure you are in the right section to manage your accounts efficiently. This little step helps you navigate through Gmail's many features. From there, click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with multiple tabs at the top. The Settings page is where you can adjust different aspects of your Gmail account. You will notice several categories such as General, Labels, and Accounts and Import. This section is important because it allows you to configure your email settings according to your needs. You are now in the right place to add another email address. Now click on Accounts and Import. This tab is specifically designed for managing your email accounts. Here you can link other email addresses, which enhances your email management. Adding another email allows you to send and receive messages from various accounts in one place. This convenience saves you time and effort, streamlining your communication process. You'll appreciate having everything in one spot. After that, look for the section that says Use Gmail to send from other email address. Under this heading, you will see a link that says Add a Mail Account. This is your next action point. When you click on this link, a new window will pop up. This step is significant because it begins the process of integrating another email account into your Gmail. You are now preparing to enter the details of the email address you wish to add. Enter the email address you want to add in the provided field. Make sure to double-check the spelling and format. Accuracy is key here, as any mistake could prevent successful integration. This is a straightforward action, but it sets the stage for what comes next. After entering the email address, click Next. This action confirms that you are ready to proceed with the setup process, moving you closer to connecting your accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear next. This step may involve verifying your ownership of the email address or adjusting certain settings. The instructions are designed to guide you through each necessary action. Pay close attention to any prompts as they help ensure you complete the process correctly. This guidance is crucial for successfully linking your email accounts without errors. Finally, click on Add Account. This action completes the process of adding your email to Gmail. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully added. This moment is rewarding as it shows that you have effectively expanded your Gmail capabilities. With this done, you can now send and receive emails from multiple accounts right within your Gmail interface. You have successfully learned how to add an email to Gmail. Enjoy the convenience of managing all your emails in one place.